US put about 8 countries. Jamaica, Cuba. I don't remember all of them, but I remember Jamaica and Cuba. They put on a list. If you've been looking after filing for people overseas is filing for you, they put a hold on those for now. So nobody now get no more no more of those Caribbean country not getting any more now get through. If you not get through already, if you're in process, now come through. Then block them. Just because they never mind them business with interfering with what goes on, went on in wherever not part.